Everything must go. Let's go get it. Scrap pirate, ladies and gentlemen. Stop saying ladies and gentlemen. I'm arriving right now at this house to pick up this metal. I see a hot water heater in the driveway and the guy's communicating with me. Let's go get this metal. I'm picking up this metal now. I'm at the house. I got my bed nice and empty. Hot water heater goes. We're taking all this right here. They tore a pool down. You can see the sand. There's the metal pool. And this little bit of stuff here goes. We're gonna get all of it. Not bad, not bad. Okay. He said that grill's cast iron as well. We're gonna load this hot water heater first. There's not much water in here, but it's still pretty heavy. Make some room. I don't know if I need this or not, maybe. I doubt it. I can probably just drag what's there. Okay, boom. Oh, don't fall, buddy. How are we gonna do this? That guy's definitely gonna fall. That's better. Okay, that's one. Go get some more stuff in here. This is a pool, 24-foot pool. It's aluminum. 24 feet of aluminum. They got it taken down for an addition, they said. We're gonna take this to the yard later or tomorrow probably, depending on how much time I have. It's pretty heavy. This is cast iron, looks like made out of an oxygen tank or something. That's pretty cool though. Okay, there's the pool. Get some more stuff on here. So the pool decking is mostly pure aluminum other than the bolts as well. We're getting it all loaded in here. Almost got it. Okay, we got it loaded up. I'm gonna strap it real good. There's a scooter as well and a computer. Strap it all real good or bungee it so nothing flies out. Throw my hand truck in there and we will be good to go. Nice load in the morning. Time to go to the dentist. Ugh. So I went to my dentist appointment. I'm supposed to get a root canal. And he just did the x-ray, looked at it, and I'm going back in a month. I thought it was being done today because I got an x-ray at my regular dentist who referred me there. Anyways, I'll be at my storage unit in 10 minutes. Have everything that you've seen in the beginning of the day, the aluminum, the pull frame and all that, and I'm gonna go add what I got yesterday to this and then go down the scrap yard more than likely. Should be a full load, but everything must go. Let's go get it. Scrap pirate, ladies and gentlemen. Stop saying ladies and gentlemen. So I didn't record this last night, but I picked up a bunch of metal yesterday on my way home. This is like some kind of ab cruncher machine somebody broke and threw away. There's some cast iron pipe in here. Some other random stuff, a chair. Keeping most of these chain falls. Need to find out how much these are worth. It's gotta be pretty nice. 3-ton chain fall. Come along, chain fall, I'm not sure what you would call it. I'm gonna take the copper off of here really quick. Figure out how to get this guy up into here safely. There's already the one I picked up earlier. And then we should have a full load, I believe. There's one. This blade's getting very dull. Okay. Let me see here. Almost. It does split it very good. I ran it through twice, so the bottom part flapped out. It got stuck. Copper, 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 copper. Got a little handful going, 2 more. And then we're pretty much done. I gotta strap all this up and go pick up one more hot water heater. I'm gonna put in this circle right here and then straight to the scrap yard. Pretty thick load, it's not too bad. All right, I just got to this last one. I'm gonna take the brass off and then move this out the way, put it right here and then strap it good. There's a hole right there to make it fit. And then we will head down to the scrap yard. Pop these valves off. If you can see it, that one came off easy. Sometimes they're very difficult. It just depends. This thing is brass right here too, inside I believe. I'm gonna get that bottom one off. Boom, boom. See if we can get it this way. Okay, it came off. Cool. It should have a bunch of liquid come out as soon as I get done, so I'm gonna probably put it on the tailgate first. I don't think there's a lot of liquid in here, but enough water should come out. Like I was saying, I left a hole right here to put it in. Now, come on, baby. Moisture should come right out. Yeah, see? Strap this guy in place. With multiple straps, or bungees, I mean, not straps. And we are heading down to the scrap yard. Turn this off, lock this in place. 1, 2, we need one more right across there.
Turn left onto Chesterwood Road, then turn left onto Stansbury Road.
We almost at the scrap yard now. I'm gonna try to unload all this fast as I can. I have a young lady to go pick up from middle school.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Stansbury Road, then turn right onto Graves Court.
We made it. $72, $71.80, $7,200. Should have a little over 1,000 pounds maybe. And a decent amount of it's aluminum. Not very much, but the pool and the deck. Let's go throw this stuff out, guys. So I got rid of both of them hot water heaters and a little bit of other stuff. Throwing all this out. There's a whole bunch of stuff up in here. gonna throw all this out, take the aluminum around there, get footage for the non-ferrous. Okay, we just dropped all that off. Empty bed, 6160, got about 1,000 pounds. Other than the aluminum I gotta take around there, there's a little bit of copper and brass, and then we're done. Let me go get my ticket and then we'll be out of here. 1,040 pounds at 10 cents, 104 bucks, plus all this aluminum.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
They'll probably give me the lowest aluminum. It seems like it's whoever's working, what they decide. Really, it's majority aluminum, but they could say like 2 screws got steel on it. I don't know. I'm not sure. Waiting to go in here now. I think I'm pulling in now. These guys definitely don't like being recorded, but they're very cool down here at Al Metals. Dundalk, you guys heard of it 100 times. Let me go turn all my stuff in and then I will get footage when I'm finished. $112 in non-ferrous. That's a great little load. Time to get paid. Local 24, that's my brother's electrician union. So the old sheet aluminum, the 2 pulls equaled $46, and another roll aluminum siding they did was $52, which is great. I don't know if you can see it too good, but so just like $98 or $99 worth of aluminum from the pool. $4 motor, copper was $6.50, aluminum extrusions $1.40. Everything with the 1,040 pounds equaled 100, 210, 15, $16, which is not bad. Considering I had to go get an x-ray for my tooth root canal. I didn't get the root canal. I thought I was getting it. He looked at it, he said it's already shape in order to work on, but he can't do it today. They took x-rays and I'm coming back next month. Nobody likes the dentist. I really don't like the dentist. On to the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Or YouTube. On to the next one, YouTube. Stop saying the other thing. Everything has to go. We gotta scrap the whole Baltimore County, half of the city at least, a little bit of Harford County. We're scrapping it all. Until the next time, thank you for watching.